Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable blue ticks on WhatsApp. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Gray check mark on WhatsApp tells you when your message has been sent and delivered. Two blue ticks mean the recipient has read your message. Some WhatsApp tick may not turn blue if you or the recipient has read receipt turned off. This feature must be enabled on both sides to show the two blue tick marks. Luckily, this can be done in a Views tab, and I will show you how to do it. It's so simple. So first, I will show you first that I will send message like this. I will try to reply. As you can see, the blue ticks is nothing, only double ticks on here. Now we can enable the blue ticks by turn on the read receipts. You can go to the settings by tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over there. Tap on settings, go to privacy. There is a read receipts. You can just turn on. Tap on the toggle. So now let's try to send message again. And now as you can see, here's the blue ticks. It's so simple, right? So that is how to enable the blue ticks on your WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.